I made the Kronos, which is probably the most overbuilt electric pick in the market, but that's the way Germans are. It's really nice. To me, it looks like a lightsaber. To some, it looks like a futuristic dildo, I've heard, or they've commented. But whatever. I just wanted to give it a quick. I just wanted to show it to you guys in this clear padlock, so you can see the little pins bouncing around while it's doing its magic. I bought it on multipick.com, I think it was. The total was like about $203. It was kind of back ordered. I got it in 2 weeks. But anyways, let's give it a little shot. So we put it in all the way to the back. Pull it back a little bit. Give it a light tension, and that's it. Oop. That easy. Let's do it one more time. See if I can get some better light. Something. Hold on. Push it all the way to the back. Am I all the way to the back? There it goes. And that's it. Alright, so it brings your Allen wrench to take care of the tensioner. It brings you a bunch of picks. It gives you 3 of these flat ones, of these regular straight picks. It brings you like a half diamond and an extra long one for I guess locks with more pins. It brings this little pouch. What I don't like about this is that it doesn't bring a case. It does not bring a case where I can keep this in my work truck. So I'm gonna have to come up with something and figure it out. I'm gonna keep it in this box. It's gonna get wet and nasty eventually. Instead of giving us this pouch for the charger, just put the money towards a nice little case for this, even if it's a little cheap nylon type plastic. All right, so let's try this one out. This is from a commercial lever, schlage keyway 6-pin. Works. All right. Put it this way. And there we have it. Drop the pin, the tension wrench, and it's picked. I just got this today. I replaced a double cylinder deadbolt for a lady. You know, the old ladies and their double-sided locks. All right. Where is it? So Kronos. And as you can see, it's been used and abused. This lock is worn. Take a slip in. Oops. I'll grab it from this way. This is looks like this is a quick set keyway. Bring it over here. Okay. Where's the futuristic dildo? Boom. Quick set. I haven't been able to get into this one, but this lock has been on my neighbor's gate for like, I don't know how long. I've seen it there for years, maybe 10 years. I have not been able to pick this one yet either. Let's give it a try though. This isn't big enough. Maybe this one. Oh no, I think I believe this turns this way. It's this way too. Oh. Wait. Alright, so let's give it a shot. Oh, wait, there we go. I picked it. Yeah. Alright, master lock. Got nothing on you. Okay, so, damn, I don't have anything to. I would from here, you would have to pull it out some way. Where do I have a hook? Maybe I could just grab it and. There you go. And that's it. We're in. Overall, it's pretty cool. The Kronos. That's their logo right there. They are, I guess, the champions of the electric pick world. Just a quick view of some locks. All right, guys. Have a good one. Peace.